Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free promo money on Prizepicks. Promo funds are a type of in-app currency awarded to Prizepicks members through various promotions. While these funds cannot be withdrawn directly, they can be used to submit lineups within the app. If a lineup placed using promo funds results in a win, the winnings are automatically converted into credit funds, which can be withdrawn. Members can easily view their promo fund balance by checking the top right corner of the Prizepicks app next to the gift box icon. If promo funds are available, they will be used automatically when submitting a lineup. However, if the promo fund balance is less than the required amount for the lineup fee, the remaining cost will be deducted from the member's credit fund balance instead. There are several ways to earn promo funds. These include participating in promotions, completing challenges, winning giveaways or free lineups, claiming deposit bonuses, or even receiving them at random from Prizepicks. It's important to note that promo funds and credit funds cannot be combined to meet the $1 minimum lineup submission requirement. If neither balance has enough to cover the minimum, you will need to deposit additional money into your account to proceed with your lineup.